This is a double room in Kempinski. It's the bathroom. Basic amenities like lotion, mouthwash. Oh, I think this is a toothbrush, dryer, and then there is a bathtub and a shower. One here, toilet. And check out closet, safe, flashlight, shoe horns, iron goes here, extra pillow up there, and then a scale even down there. Another cool thing is an espresso. Then we got refrigerator with stuff. And snacks. That stuff. Here's the view. Beautiful view. Below there, there's a swimming pool. And you can't miss the ocean. Check out this floor. These are real ivy. And then there's like a middle courtyard, cool area there. Looks like you're in the rainforest. All the rooms around. Found out right outside our room. There's a bunch of couches, that's pretty cool. Chairs. And we are on the 6th floor. Beautiful flowers. And I'm not sure if every floor has this, but there is a lounge area. It's pretty cool. All these tables. And this area here, they might have events here, that's why there's a lounge area and there's like table. Look at this beautiful chandelier. Counter space for like maybe food and stuff. I think that's like a hot pot thing, I don't know. And there are beautiful views of the ocean on the other side. I think that's more of like the mangrove swamp area. I was talking to this guy earlier at a restaurant. He said it's a mixture of saltwater and freshwater. And continuing to this lounge area. I haven't been this way, but oh, there's like a desk area. Okay, this side smells a little different. Beautiful morning in Kempinski. The pool, the ocean, the warm breeze, sun rising. Can't ask for anything more.
Andaba buscando el amor de mi vida. Siempre se acaba, se me rompe el corazón. El amor a mí me suena ya como un proyecto. Te lo digo directo. Pero tenerte a mi lado pa' mí es una razón. Préndete, como un fil y sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me miras, mami, quiero estar sintiéndote. Como un fil y sé que ya estoy encendiéndote. Y me relaja cuando sé que voy a estar viéndote. Aunque sé que lo que diga es mentira. Cuando tú me tiras, mami, quiero estar rompiéndote. Hace meses que no nos hemos visto, pero no quiero aceptar la realidad. Que lo que siento cuando tomo un trago rico no es nada más que temporada.